另外，美国职业篮球 NBA 新的球季起稿啊，头一天就有新的纪录甲新的画面。这是洛杉矶湖人队39岁球星詹姆斯甲伊的后生是同齐上场，嘛正做史上头届同队上场的伯仔囝。湖人队尾也是拍赢，嘛摕到这一季头一场的胜利。
History tonight, the first father-son duo to play together in an NBA game.
第二节比赛，阁剩4分钟，洛杉矶湖人当时换球星詹姆斯甲伊后生布朗尼，创造 NBA 纪录，互因加做 NBA 史上第一队同队上场的伯仔囝。
No matter how old I get, no matter how my memory may fade as I get older, whatever, I will never forget that moment.
Focus on going in as a rookie and not trying to mess up, but yeah, I mean, I totally did feel the energy and. Yeah, I appreciate the Laker Nation for showing the support for me and my dad.
不过布朗尼虽然接到爸爸的传球，所无把握机会得分，伊真紧就被换落来。这场比赛伊上场2分31秒，2摆投篮拢无丢，另外抓一个篮板。爸爸詹姆斯上场35分，攻16分5篮板4助攻，带湖人110比103拍败灰龙，首开门红。公司新闻陈伟仁报道。